All right, I am using my computer as you can see, so the light's not real good, but I wanted to show you how to properly wash dishes. And most of you probably go, I already know how to do that. It's not that hard, but it's a little bit different because we do not have a two-compartment sink in the foods room. And you see I'm trying to move my camera, my computer a little bit so you can see this. We're going to start first by grabbing two towels. One is going to be used to dry your dishes, but one is going to be used to put right next to your sink. So when the person washes the dishes, they can lay them right on the towel versus directly on the counter. So I'm going to fill my sink, and it would be with hot water, as hot as my hands can take it. The hotter the better, because that's what's going to clean your dishes. You let it run just a little bit. I put my stopper in, and then I'm going to put a little bit of soap, just a little bit. You don't need too much. And if it gets too hot, of course, you could turn it a little cold. So then I'm going to speed it up here a little bit. And I'm going to fill this about halfway full. And in the interest of time, I'm going to stop that, but it would be halfway full. Then I am going to take a washcloth from the cart, and if we had knives, I'd wash knives first, but I'll wet my washcloth. And then I'm going to take my plate, or whatever dish I have. I'm going to grab a plate. And I'm going to clean my plate on the front. I'm going to clean my plate on the back. Then I'll turn on the hot water to rinse and lay it on the towel that's next to me. Now, I should not see you doing this, where you take the plate, you put some soap on the plate. Look how much soap I just wasted. And then I rinse it, and that's good. Now I'm done. I shouldn't see that. I should see that you are filling your sink halfway full, not keep running the water and keep washing. You fill it halfway full, soapy hot water, wash it, rinse it in hot water, put it on the drying towel, take a different towel to dry. And we already mentioned about the importance of drying so we don't get mold growing. So I dry my towel really well, and of course then I put it away. I will periodically come around and check to see if your water is hot. If it's not hot, sometimes I pull the plug. It has to be hot to kill the germs and get all the food off and bacteria. We want it to be super clean so nobody gets sick. If you have further questions, just let me know.